Okay, it's the 9th of September. I'm out here to Ruggles Farms, Marlette, Michigan. Just got done doing a yield check. This is a different field than we were in the other day. We had a side-by-side with Great Lakes, you know what number? Great Lakes 19 bean and 91 M91s, the same Pioneer bean that we were in the other field. This field, the 91 M91s were 12.6 moisture and they were 60.07 bushels per acre, and the other variety was 52.379 bushels per acre and was 14% moisture. And right now we're unloading on the go right alongside of Dave. Well, this is a real hilly field. Now, that other field, Dick says that he took her to the elevator, and depending on whose field measurement standards, whether the new system or the old system, it ran between 59 and 51 and a half. Correct?
49.
49 and 51 and a half for whole field average. The U.S. government's got the field with the new system has grown it by about 2 acres. And our,
you know what might have helped as much as anything, Uncle Dick, was getting it planted early.
Yep. Yeah, planting early definitely was a key this year. These are some pretty nice beans. So what do you think the elevation is here?
We're pretty high. What is it? Did it tell you?
No.
GPS?
No. What if we had one? I know
that little knob right over there, we've sat up there before with the one that does have GPS, and it's 800. What is the airport, Marlette?
I'm thinking that 822 maybe.
Yeah, it's higher than the airport. It's pretty high here. Just really hilly stuff.
I know back at home I'm at 777.
Yeah, you're flatter.
Same as Sandusky Airport.
Yeah. But you're out in a flat ground. But for some reason, this Montgomery Road area is, I know you probably won't believe this, but it gets more rain. We've been farming down here about 5 or 6 years now. Every year it gets more rain in the summer than
I can believe it.
Marlette Road does.
I can believe it. I've always been pretty well blessed. Rain on Montgomery Road.
Yeah, it rains on Montgomery Road where it doesn't rain on Marlette Road. Yeah, those are nice beans. It'll be interesting to see if your camera picks up that elevation difference here.
Yeah. Now these beans are waist high, give you an idea.
All done fallow ground. I don't think he gets his stuff in real early.
time you'll have a